Twist the lamp holders counterclockwise, tuck the wires into the central core, and screw the lamp holders into the core clockwise. Screw all the iron spindly arms into the central core clockwise one by one. Screw the short iron spindly arms on the top into the central core clockwise one by one. Screw the short iron spindly arms at the bottom into the central core clockwise one by one. Screw 6 layers of long iron spindly arms in the middle into the central core clockwise one by one. Feel free to mix and match the long and short iron arms to create different looks. Open the screwgate of carabiner on the chain, hang the chain to the loop, and close the screwgate. Pass the wires through the chain. Remove the nut from the loop and pass the nut through the wires and the chain. Pass the wires and the chain through the canopy. Pass the wires through the central hole on the mounting plate. Open the screwgate of carabiner on the chain, hang the carabiner to the loop, and close the screwgate. Adjust the length of the screws before installation. Then install the safety wire. It is recommended that you turn to a certified, professional electrician when you need to install a big light fixture like this.